Looking for a compact, high-performance thermal imaging camera for your smartphone? Introducing the P2PRO 600 degrees Celsius infrared thermal imaging camera, designed for both Android and iPhone users. Whether you're repairing HVAC systems, inspecting PCBs, or analyzing insulation leaks, this gadget delivers crystal-clear thermal insights, right from your phone. It supports temperatures up to 600 degrees Celsius and works seamlessly with Android 6.0 Plus and iOS 11 Plus, including the latest iPhone 15 and iPhone 16. With the Temp Master app, you get access to 12 vibrant color palettes, giving you full control over how temperature data is displayed. Need a closer look? The 15x digital zoom, unique to the P2PRO, lets you zoom in with just a two-finger swipe. Analyze images and videos like a pro. The app offers professional data analysis and report generation anytime, anywhere. You can even customize your own color bar to highlight specific temperature zones with ease. Want accurate readings? The P2PRO allows for adjustable emissivity, ambient temperature, and spot distance, ideal for precise thermal diagnostics. Whether you're a technician, engineer, or DIY enthusiast, the P2PRO thermal camera transforms your phone into a powerful thermal inspection tool.